Hello everyone! Welcome to Sikkhon, and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to auto-sync your video to the music beat in Premiere Pro. Let's get started! First things first, drag the music you want to use in the project sequence. Now, analyze the music layer carefully. Decide which part you want to use. Trim that part accordingly. Then, listen the music again. Here, you have to find out the music beats. Of course, you have to choose a upbeat music in the first place. Set a marking point in the every beat you found in the timeline by pressing M from your PC keyboard. You should find a lot of beat points if you use a proper upbeat music. After marking points in the timeline, go to your footage bin, where you kept your footages. Select each footage by double-click and set Mark In and Mark Out points. Mark in and mark out points basically meaning which part of the footage you want to use for the content. After that, select all the footages. Click to Clip option, select Automate to Sequence option. A window will be pop up. From drop-down menu Ordering, select Selection Order. Then, from drop-down menu Placement, select at Unnumbered Markers. Select or enable Use in Out Range option. And lastly, give a tick mark on Ignore Audio. Then click OK. You'll see the footage automatically is placed into the sequence as per the music beats you selected by using markers. Now you can modify according to your need. Fill up the gaps between the footages. That's it. Then play the whole video to see if it's okay or not. That's how you auto-sync your video to the music beat in Premiere Pro smoothly. For more tutorials, please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us know in the comments what kind of tutorials you'd like to see next. Visit Sikkhon.com for a wide range of free and premium courses. Thank you for watching.